Hey, what's up, guys? So I got the Ecoboost 2015 here. So I don't have any bolts on it or anything. The only mod I do have is, the little $2 trick. It releases like a blow-off valve, kind of how it works. That's the only thing I have on here. But my concern is, if anyone else have this problem, if they ever heard it or anything, let me know. And if you find a solution, please let me know in the comments. But it's when I'm revving up, say for instance I'm going about at 3,000 RPMs and I hit the gas pretty hard. I accelerate pretty hard, try to speed up. It sounds like from here. All right, this is the air intake right here. It sounds like somewhere in this area you hear like a metal crackling noise, real loud, like clack 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 clack. And then I let go of it let off, and it's fine. I can hit it again and go. Maybe I'm thinking like, cause I do have it in sport mode. If that help. I'm kind of driving fast in sport mode, but I don't get like what's going on here. I don't know. I'm hoping this don't have a problem, which I would not think, because the turbo done hit the engine and everything, just releasing it back into the cold air intake with the air intake. So, but it sounds like it's somewhere in this area here. It's like metal crackling and so they only do it when I've been running the car for quite a minute. For good, lasts about maybe 20-30 minutes, and I kind of hit the gas back and forth. I haven't changed the intercooler yet or anything, so if you guys had this idea or know anything maybe that's going on, please comment below and let me know. Ecoboost 2015 Mustang.